Hey guys, welcome to CR Designers. This is Chetan and this is the hard surface modeling hack 10. So now let's get started. So we will start with the cylinder. So shift A and then add a cylinder and we will go with 24 words. After that you need to go to the edit mode and you need to select the top and bottom faces and then delete them. After that select everything and extrude along the normal, so you will get this kind of cylindrical shape. Then select this face, all faces, and move them along the z-axis. After that you need to select these words, top words, and then extrude them and move them along the z-axis and scale it down a little bit, so you can get this kind of taper kind of shape. After that you need to select these inner edge loops and you need to scale down this edge loop along the x and y axis. So press S and then shift Z, so you can only scale down them along the x and y axis. And now you need to select few faces and you need to delete them. So just select these faces and press X to delete them. After that you need to add loop cuts like this and just increase the number of loop cuts, and 5 loop cuts are fine. You need to add the same amount of loop cuts from the inner side also. So add the loop cuts over here. 3 loop cuts are fine here. And then delete these sides. We will create the design only from the one side and then we will take the mirror. So now you need to create loop structure here, so that's why delete these faces. Select this word, right click and then connect vertex path. Same here, select this word, right click and then connect vertex path. Select this edge loop and double tap G for the edge slide and take it a little bit up. Select this word, right click and then connect vertex path. Then you can select these edges and then Ctrl X to resolve them. Before filling the gap, you need to add enough loop cuts at there. So you can see there is not edge, so just add one edge at there, and then same thing here you need to do. Right click and then connect vertex path. Then you can fill these gaps like this. Then go to the top view, turn on your X-ray mode and then delete these words, so we can work easily on only this side and we can take the mirror of that. So just you need to select these all words, so press S and then Z and give the value 0, so you can make them straight. And if you are facing the little bit difficulty with that taper shape, then you can Ctrl X and dissolve those center edge loops, means like a middle edges in between these 2 points, like this edge you can dissolve and you can add another new edge at there. And use the edge slide to move these edges and take them a little bit close to each other and just connect these words. And then you need to add the loop cuts like this and just add one loop cut over here. And then you can add a mirror modifier and take the symmetry from the X and Y axis, and merge option should be on. Then you can add the subdivision surface modifier and just add loop cuts like this. Then select these faces, press I for the insert operation, so we can add more loop cuts at there. Then you can shear smooth it and increase the subdivision count. After that, here you need to add loop cuts, and now you can see that's look good. Just add one loop cut over here. So you can see easily we have created here this hard surface piece. You can see its structure, the topology which we have created for this model. So thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.